Hey everyone, myself Mahesh. I warmly welcome to Inkelforce India, innovating measurement technology. So today we are going to discuss about the high temperature infrared thermometer. We will discuss about the features, uses applications, practical working, and also we do unbox this product now. So the product we have from German company called Testo. So let's unbox this product at the front of you. So this is our product, Testo 835T2 high temperature infrared thermometer. With this instrument we get three things. We get an instruction manual. This is our instruction manual and this is a very important for you. We get a calibration protocol. This is our calibration protocol. We get batteries. We get three batteries, and this is our batteries. And this is our instrument, Testo 835T2 high temperature infrared thermometer. This product is ideal for temperature measurement in glass, ceramic, and metal industry. The Testo 835T2 high temperature infrared thermometer allows you a temperature measurement up to 1500 degrees Celsius for safely and reliably. We get a memory up to 200 readings and free download software for data analysis. And impressive thing in this instrument, we get a 4-point laser. And with the help of this 4-point laser, we clearly indicate the measuring area and prevent incorrect temperature measurements. Let's see some applications of this product, Testo 835T2 high temperature infrared thermometer. This product used in many industries for more applications like ceramic industry, metal industry, glass industry, pharmaceutical industry, automobile industry, and this product is also applicable in heating, ventilation and air conditioning technologies. So let's see practical working of this product, Testo 835T2 high temperature infrared thermometer. So this is our battery compartment. Battery compartment is here. This is our trigger. And let's see some keys of our instrument. This is a on off key, power off and on key. This is a save key, report save key. This is a emissivity key, up and down key, and escape key. So let's start our instrument. Our instrument has been started. Then our current reading is there. Our current temperature is 28.2 degrees Celsius, and our minimum and maximum temperature is same, 28.2 degrees Celsius. You can see. So let's see some menus, some settings of our instrument. We can change our settings and change our menus. This is alarm, backlight, emissivity, memory, and calendar, and many more settings. So let's change our calendar setting, our date of our instrument. Fill our current date, and after fill our current date, save our changes. And after save our changes, so let's we record our temperature readings. Tap the trigger, and after tap the trigger, our readings has been recorded. We can record 4 readings and save our report. So let's tap the save option, and create a new location. tap the new location option, and rename them. And after this process, save our report. So let's save our report. Yes, our report has been saved. So this is our practical working of our instrument, Testo 835T2 high temperature infrared thermometer. Then our videos are useful for you. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. For more information, you can visit our official website. Our official website is www.kelfos.in. You can follow us on social media under the name Kelfos India. To be a part of Kelfos India, thank you so much.